1, 2, 3, 4, and... All right. Hello, everybody. God, I just dropped a bunch of stuff. My metronome went down. Anyway, so that was played at 84. We are at section G, as in gamma, or Gandalf, or giraffe. Anyway, as you can tell, we're helping our daughter learn how to read right now, and so we're using all these letters for different words. So we have this arpeggio section. This has 16th note subdivisions, and we're playing kind of a 3-note melody in 16th notes, so it sounds syncopated. A really common way of writing music. Let's talk about this. So we have, what I do is I put my first finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string and my pinky on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. And so I have this, okay? I have my 3 fingers on the top 3 strings. And you're doing an ascending and descending arpeggio, which would normally be a sextuplet, but we're doing this in 16th notes. So we go 1 E and a 2 E, 1 E and a 2 E, and then we go up, and I use my 2nd finger to play that 4th fret of the 1st string, and I pull off. And then I continue the arpeggio. So ring finger, middle, index. So now we have, and then I use my middle finger here to do that pull off from 5 to 3. Hopefully you have the music in front of you. It's going to make it a lot easier. A minor chord. Okay, then we kind of repeat the same thing. And now we do a variation. I play that 4 pull off to 0. And then go up here and go 10 pull off to 8. And I'm using my index finger, middle, index, and then I use my pinky on the 10 of the next string, okay? And that leads us into section H. So section G is very short. I just wanted to focus on this because of the difficulty level of these arpeggios with the added pull-offs and in the 16th note subdivision. So let me play this at 63. 3 and 4 and... Again, 3, 4, and... All right. You'll notice that that's the time I use my index finger at the top to start the picado. The other time I did the middle finger. And so when it's slow like this, you end up making alterations that you wouldn't do when you're playing it faster. So now let me play that. Let me play that again. I'm going to play that slower at 60. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and... All right. So really, this is just about that even subdivision with the arpeggios, and then adding these other techniques in between, and that shift to that 10. I would practice. I would just isolate that if that poses a problem for you. Make sure to look where you're going, not where you are. Don't look where you are and then have to try to access it visually if you're having to look, and then try to get it tactilely. Try to look there ahead of time. Okay? And that'll help you with your accuracy. I believe that's what I've found with my students, and you're my student, and so hopefully that helps you. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Once you get this, we're going to be going into H. G and H are inherently linked. They are one idea. It's just that this had enough in it that I just broke it up into two. Okay? So send me an email with any questions. Have a great day. Get to work.